Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. Well, we finished our willow harvest. Everything is bundled and ready for storage. And we wanted to take this opportunity to catalog the color and the texture of the varieties we've harvested this year. We've done some other videos, and I'll put links in the description below. And those videos have showed willows in the summer, and recently we went out and we looked at how those willows look in the winter garden, so because you can get some really nice colors out of them. And now we'd like to go through and before we put these into storage, we'd like to go through and catalog the texture and color of these willows right after we harvested them. Of course, you know, if we let these dry out over a year, the color and the texture will change, but we'll revisit next year. But I still wanted to go through and share with you what these look like right after harvest, because they're quite pretty. The sun is quite bright, but it is winter, so it's really low on the horizon, so the color doesn't really stand out here outside. So we'll go ahead and move inside and get some different lighting so you can see what it looks like in there. And here we are inside under some brighter lights, and you can see the contrast in color between the different varieties is more dramatic. And I think the best way to proceed is we're probably just going to do a slideshow of photos and videos with close-ups of each variety, and we'll label the varieties as we go along. And if you want to skip around and find a certain variety, just go into the description below and we'll tag them so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. But hopefully this will give you a good idea of what the willows look like right after they're harvested within a month or so. And at the end of the video, I'll show you where we store them to keep them dry and out of sunlight until next year, when hopefully it would be kind of fun to do a comparison against what willow looks like when it's recently harvested versus the color it takes on after a year of drying out. And if you have any questions about any varieties, please feel free to leave a comment, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Hopefully we can have an answer for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. We'll show about 10 seconds of each variety, and then I'll see you out in the barn. And here we are after cataloging everything, and it's in storage out here in our barn. It should be nice and dry, and it's far enough away from the door that we won't get any light. So I think they're tucked in for a year. So we'll see how they dry up and what they look like a year from now.